Hi, welcome back to pronunciation workshop. Today we will sum up the third week. The third week of me in a pronunciation workshop. In third week, I learned three season. Season 7, we learned CH sound and J sound. Season 8, I learned about vowel E and I. And season 9, I learned about O sound and AE sound. Now I will practice some words have all of the consonant and vowel I learned in third week. Begin with CH sound. CH sound will be a sweet bass, and we can practice with some words have CH sound. China, cherry, chase, chocolate, challenge, cheese, chunk, chairman, and some good keychain, lunchbox, recharge, picture, teacher, fountain, nature, beach road, and about J sound, we can speak fast. We can practice with some words have J sound. Juice, jump, jungle, jewelry, Japan, giant, genetic, junior, generate, German. We can practice some sentences has G sound. That's a German, jeweler and jewelry. Have chase and jailer, a strange giant who sits on the edge of a bridge throwing jelly onto beach. And the next reason we learn about E, vowel EE and vowel I. We can practice with some words have E sound. C, me, H, even, key, green, G, fairy, happy, shortly, merry, busy, finally, country. And now we can practice some words have a I vowel sound. Beat, bill, lit, fish, kitchen, bill, bigger, germ, fish, leisure, business, first, fish, leaf, discuss, fig, fitty, bean. And the final reason I learned in third week is O vowel sound and AE vowel sound. Some words have O vowel sound: open, oatmeal, owner, fold, cold, road, coach, rotate, load, slow, road, and AE age, eight, able, trade, date, 18, face, leisure, May, baby, gay, trades, gave, nature, day, paper, Asia, Beijing, Fei. Thanks for listening and see you tomorrow.